Hello students, welcome to science class and I am your science teacher. Students, the topic which I am going to teach you today is blood vessels. So, you know beta, the circulatory system, it comprises of three main parts, that is blood, blood vessels and heart. So, today we are going to discuss blood vessels. Now, what are blood vessels? Blood vessels are hollow muscular tubes through which blood flows. Okay, here you can see it is a hollow tube. Okay, and it is muscular. Okay, and inside these tubes, which is known as blood vessels, the blood it flows. Now let us see what is the specialty of blood vessels. These blood vessels, they are connected to the main organ of circulatory system, which is called heart. Okay, the blood vessels, they are connected to the main organ of the circulatory system, and the main organ of the circulatory system is the heart. Our heart is the main organ of our circulatory system, because heart is what? Heart is the pumping organ of the body. It is continuously pumping, it is continuously supplying oxygen-rich blood to body and receiving deoxygenated or impure blood from different parts of the body back to the heart. Okay. Then you can see here, the blood vessels basically they are of three types. Okay. In our body, the blood vessels they are of three types. And these types we are going to discuss one by one. Okay. Yes, beta. So the first type of blood vessel is arteries. Now we are going to discuss some of the important characteristics feature of the arteries. Okay. What arteries actually look like? What is the function of artery in the body? Okay, now beta basically see the arteries, they are deeply seated. Okay, they are deeply seated inside the skin. Okay, like when we talk about the second type of blood vessel, which is vein, the veins are easily observable. Okay, we can easily observe them on our skin. But arteries, they are deeply seated. Okay, second beta see arteries, the main function of the artery is to carry pure blood, that is oxygenated blood from heart to all the parts of the body. So what it is doing? It is supplying the oxygenated blood. Oxygenated blood means beta, the blood which is rich in oxygen. Okay, that blood is supplied to all the other parts of the body by the help of arteries. Okay, next is only the pulmonary artery. Exception is beta, pulmonary artery is the exception which is carrying deoxygenated blood. Okay. Rest of the arteries they carry oxygenated blood, but pulmonary artery it is exception. It is carrying deoxygenated blood. Okay, from where? From heart to the lungs for purification. You know, beta, in lungs the blood gets purified by exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen. Third is these arteries. Okay, the arteries they are thick walled, beta. They are thick because they have to carry the blood to a far place inside the body. That's why they are thick. Okay, and in these arteries the blood flows with jerk. Okay, next point, the small branches which arise from the artery. You can see here beta, this is artery, it is coming from the heart. Okay, this is artery, from heart it is coming, and the arteries branch. From the arteries you can see various branches they arise, and these are known as arterioles. What they are known as? Arterioles. So the fine branches of artery is known as arterioles. These arterioles they get connected with the venules, which are the branches of the veins that we are going to discuss in next type of blood vessel. So next beta, the largest artery in our body is aorta. Aorta is the largest artery in our body. Okay. Other than this, one more artery is there which is known as carotid artery, CAROTID, carotid artery. The main function of that carotid artery is to carry the blood from heart to the brain. Carotid artery, what it is doing? It is carrying the blood from the heart to the brain. Okay, so these are the features of arteries. Again, arteries are deeply seated. These carry oxygenated blood from the heart to all body parts. Pulmonary arteries exception, which is carrying deoxygenated blood from heart to the lungs. Then these are thick walled. Okay, जो इनकी walls है बेटा वो कैसी हैं? thick है, मोटी हैं. Small branches arising from artery is called arterioles. So the fine branches, the fine tube-like structures which are arising from this artery, you can see these fine-like branches of fine tube-like structures. They are known as arterioles. And largest artery in the body is aorta. This you have to remember. It is very important. The largest artery in the body is aorta. Yes, better. Now you can see the second type of blood vessel is veins. Now you know the arteries, they are carrying the pure blood, that is oxygenated blood from heart to all other parts of the body. But veins, what they are doing, from all the different parts of the body, they are bringing the impure blood or the deoxygenated blood back to the heart. Okay. The veins, they are what they are doing, they are bringing back the impure blood to the heart from different parts of the body. Now again let us see here, pulmonary vein is exception here, because all other veins they are carrying deoxygenated blood, but this pulmonary vein it is carrying oxygenated blood from lungs to the heart. Okay, pulmonary vein is exception. Then beta, like in arteries, the small branches which arise from the artery, they are known as arterioles. Same, the veins, they branches into small tube-like structures which are known as, okay, venules, which are known as venules. Then veins are superficial. It means the veins, they are closer to the surface of the skin and they are bluish in color. Beta, you can easily identify them. You can easily see them. Okay, they are close to the surface of the skin and they are bluish in color, as arteries were red in color. Okay. Now these veins, they have valves. Okay. Now why they have valves? These valves, they make sure that the blood flows only in one direction. Okay. From different parts of the body, beta, the blood is coming to the heart. So valves, what they will do? They will make sure that the blood does not flow back into the veins. Okay, वो क्या करेंगे, श्योर करेंगे कि ब्लड वेन्स में वापस ना आए, सीधे क्या हार्ट तक जाए. इसीलिए इनमें क्या होता है बेटा, they have valves. Okay, then I already told you the valves, the veins, they are bluish in color. Okay, and superior vena cava and inferior vena cava, these are the two major types of veins which are present in our body. Okay, likewise I told you the largest artery in the body is aorta. In the same way, the major veins in the body are superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Now let us see the third type of blood vessel which I am going to tell you is capillaries. Okay, capillaries are thinnest blood vessels. Okay, among the three, the capillaries, they are the thinnest blood vessels, सबसे पतली blood vessels हैं, and they are what, functioning to add the artery and veins together. Okay, the major function of the capillaries is to connect veins and arteries together. Okay, so the three types of blood vessels which we have discussed today is arteries, veins and capillaries. So third one I am going to write here, that is capillaries. So beta, third type is capillaries. Capillaries, these are the thinnest blood vessels Okay, they connect arteries and veins. Okay, so these are the three types of blood vessels in the body. So you can see here later, this is the artery. It is branching again. You can see the branches, they are rising. Okay, and these branches, these are arterioles. And this side, the bluish one. Okay, these are the veins. So you can see they are joining together at the point. Okay, which are known as capillaries. The point of connection here, where the arteries, where the branches are joining, it is known as capillaries. So capillaries, the main function of the capillaries is to connect arteries and veins. Thank you, class.